Okay, so this is the video to train you how to use Notebook LM and write a paper. So you just open first Notebook LM. Get your topic's name. Maybe I will just randomly click on try Notebook LM. Create new notebook. यहाँ पे इसको चेंज करके डीप रिसर्च कर दो. Our topic is automated 360 panoramic image generation using Flux AI based image generation. ठीक है. Then you click enter. It will start searching for the sources. Parallelly, you can just put the same topic in your other browser also. So I will just open a new project. I want to write a Python code for automated image generation for panoramic images using AI image generation. Think harder and give me single Python file that will run the entire code in Honey. Okay. So now it will start writing the code for me, through which I will get the output. Now, this is valid only for software projects. For hardware projects, we have to do it differently. Now, once it searches all the sources, it will give you an option to add all the sources. So let us wait for that. By that time, what you can do is let it write the code. Once the code comes, then the later part starts. You can also go to this nature summary paragraph. Okay. So this will give you exact nature summary paragraph saying that how it should be. So that is a key structure of an abstract. You can copy this and you can just make a statement out of it. So I will just paste key structure and guidelines for abstract. That becomes my abstract for this research. Okay. One or two lines background, understand the scientific discipline, problem study, specific case study, uh, main result, significance, and the implication. Now, obviously, you'll get the entire code, you will get this, and it's still writing. So you'll get the abstract. And by that time, you can also go back to your notebook LM. So it will show you total 5 steps are there since we are doing a deep research. So it will take some time. This becomes my single code through which I can achieve this output. So this code should act like a input for my methodology. So I will copy the code from here and I will go to ChatGPT, or you can directly run it on Thorny also. While running on the Thorny, you might get some errors which you need to fix. So let us say this is the code. Just paste it. And you generally get an error of library import. So if you try to run, you will get an error with library import. So these are the library names which you need to include in this particular code. So let us say request is a library name which you need to include. What you can do is go to this tools, click on open system shell and type pip install and then paste your library name. So generally this is how you install all the libraries required to run this code. Once you reach till this import CV, I think after that the code will start. So here your actual code will start. You might need your Hugging Face API keys because it's a AI based code. You might need to get them from these websites so that you do. Otherwise your code will not run. Now, once you have this code, what you need to do is paste this entire code to your ChatGPT. Make methodology. And then you paste this entire code here and you have the cheat codes given to you. So paste the methodology cheat code along with this code. So that will allow you to generate the methodology of the paper. Control A, Control C. Okay. So ये आ गए 42 sources मिले. So you can click on view. You can tick on this all 42 sources and then you can import them all. I will just move this, click on the import button. So now it will read all the sources for you. And here you have to type the cheat code for literature review. So write 2 paragraph, maximum 2 paragraph, one is also fine. Literature review section for my research paper. So that will give me 2 paragraph literature review. But for here, you need to paste the title. And where you will get the title, you will get it from your make methodology करने के बाद यहाँ पे मैं पूरा कोड पेस्ट करूंगा. So I just copy this and I will paste the code over here. तो ये तो methodology हो गई आपकी. उसके बाद give me title for this research paper. So let it first type the methodology for me. This is very important that methodology is clear, unique, and novel. If your methodology is not correct, then this becomes my title. So these are the different titles. You can choose any one which you like. Let's say AI-driven panoramic image generation for multi-segment prompting and image stitching. I think this is good. First one I like. So I will choose that and go back to my notebook LA. Here I will paste the title and also mention also give me 10 to 12 citations from reputed SCI or Scopus indexed journals and make a PIB file. Now it will give me the paragraph and BIP file for the paper. Also, since my entire structure paper is available with this tool, I need to generate the abstract methodology, except result, everything you will generate. You will send that copy to me. I will give you the result and then you put it for the publication. While publishing, you ensure that you have following things mentioned like title, abstract, introduction, concept diagram. Concept diagram के नीचे title caption of the concept diagram आएगा and then figure 1 shows that और फिर concept diagram में क्या है वो आएगा. So it's called figure, its caption and figure explanation. Then literature review paragraph आएगा, फिर methodology paragraph आएगा, फिर results और discussion का section मुझसे लोगे. उसमें सिर्फ मुझसे 3 images आएंगे. Again you need to paste these images to your cloud. Ask it to explain the results to you, add those results, and then finally the conclusion and bibliography you already got. So that is how you frame the paper. Now, once you frame that complete paper, put your LaTeX template and ask it to convert this paper into this LaTeX template. Single chatbot you use for everything so that all the context are stored. And with that, you can finish a paper. Not more than half an hour it will take. And that is how it should be done. So I will just stop recording and please share it with all the team.